Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and also tell you how you can very easily fix a non-working microphone in the Telegram app on your iPhone. Friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also write your comments after watching and be sure to put likes. So, let's get down to the topic. And if you have such a situation that for some reason the microphone does not work in the application Telegram, and because of this you can't record videos and voice messages, then you can fix it, friends, very quickly and easily. First, you will need to open the settings on your iPhone. After that, scroll down to the very bottom. Find the Apps option, and in the Apps, already find Telegram itself. Open it up. And now, in order for you to enable the microphone in Telegram, you need to find the microphone option and click on this button next to it. And then you can easily record voice messages as well as videos in Telegram. Also, another method how you can do this is to directly log into the Telegram app already. Next, you can go to absolutely any conversation. If you click on either video or microphone at the bottom in order to record a video or voice message, and so when you click what you see, you get a window like this, which warns you that your microphone is not currently active in Telegram. To fix that, you need to go to Settings. Now you can click on Settings and immediately be taken to the page I've already shown you. How can be found in the settings of the iPhone. Here you just need to tap on the microphone, thus activating it. After that, you can go back to Telegram. And when you tap on the microphone or the video, as you can see, it will start recording, which will tell you that the microphone is now working properly. This is the way, friends, you can quickly and easily fix the not working microphone in Telegram on your iPhone. I hope, friends, that this video was useful and helpful to you. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also be sure to put your likes under this video. Bye-bye.